already. So do you have any advices moving forward because they are planning to implement it in public schools as well?
My advice to the Deputy Secretary Sunny Angara is that sana matuloy yung mga projects like ganito, yung AI-related policies or AI-related projects kasi we keep on revising the curriculum pero wala pa rin improvement. Kasi politically, as we progress, kapag nagbabagong administration, may mga certain projects na bago din sa curriculum. And with that, we need to sustain kung ano yung na-promulgate, ano yung na-implement. So, sustain whatever ang nasimulan. Kasi kung hindi sino-sustain at hindi tinitingnan, minomonitor, ini-evaluate kung effective o hindi, at pinapalitan lang ng bagong pangalan ng sistema, walang improvement. We keep on going to the same process, going to the same thinking process.
Just a follow-up question po. Since you said that you need to sustain whatever we started, to those that were left out within the results of your study that were partially struggling to be able to adapt to AI, as a teacher, how will you be able to help them and supplement them with the needs or materials in order to integrate AI to their lives as well and to prevent them from struggling?
Una, kasi ang AI is empowered through technology. So, maybe it's a high time as well to make the local government unit na ma-realize na dapat ini-empower ang kanilang local residences, yung mga local schools, na suportahan ang schools in terms of the use of technology. Devices, provide them with the devices. Kasi di ba may mga mga model cities na nagbibigay ng mga device sa mga estudyante. Cellphone, tablet, sa teachers din. May mga city kasi or mga local kasi na walang ganito. And I hope sana matuto ang local government units sa ganitong practice.